go. Are you okay?
Yeah. And the mama here.
Hold me better, okay, guys? Don't let me go and sink. I'm a baby.
Good night, little baby. Shh.
Okay.
Welcome to Sarah's Rainbow Sparkly World. Hi, guys.
I think Baby Puppy's excited. There's a surprise.
It's not the surprise. Guys, today I'm gonna open the surprise. I don't know what it is in there. I know, but I actually don't know.
What? What do you think it is?
Maybe an iPad or something?
What? Are you ready to open and find out?
I want to open.
Baby Puppy's gonna help because he's super excited too.
A tub!
Is it a tub?
Baby!
Wow, a bathtub for your baby. Look at that. Wow. What is inside?
There's a little duck, shampoo. Oh, like this is water here, and some water here.
Uh-huh.
And some water here.
Baby born musical foaming bathtub. You know what? I wonder if we can bathe Baby Puppy in this bathtub.
I don't want to.
I think it's too small for him, right?
Yeah.
Do you want some help? Let's bring a Caesar. Uma tesoura, una tijeira. Having fun, Baby Puppy, with the gift wrap? I have to tell you guys, we're in love with Baby Puppy. He's the cutest. Have you watched the video of us choosing Baby Puppy? Go check it out. What do you think of the bathtub, Baby Puppy? What is that? Let's go fill up with water? Sounds like a good plan. Oh, on the beach? Or I think here in the sink. Filling up the tub so we can bathe someone. We're not sure who yet, right? You know who you're gonna be bathing already? You do.
Baby!
Not Baby Puppy? Wee. Do you wanna take a bath?
I think that's enough water.
Let's go. Are you okay?
Yeah. Now?
Now let's see what these things are for. And let's bring the baby. Baby Puppy's jealous. Baby Puppy, la 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 la. Let's see how this works. Oh, this is for the shower. Let's go find the duck.
Oh, here. You forgot
Yay! Good job. Okay, this scissor with adult supervision always.
Now it's kid vision.
I'm an adult and I'm here supervising you. And so is Baby Puppy. And Baby Puppy wanna drink that water, huh? I see. Are you thirsty, Baby Puppy? You wanna get inside the bathtub? You wanna get inside the bathtub? Yes. Ouch! Cupcake! Ouch!
I know what to do.
Ouch! He's strong. He's little, but he's strong, guys.
This is hard to open.
Is it hard?
Yeah.
You want me to help you? Okay. I like how you're persistent. Try again. If at first you don't succeed,
Try again.
nice.
Cute sneezing.
He's not very cute when he does his duties inside the house. We're still training him, right, Sarah?
Yeah, but he's doing a real job. My mom is doing the doggy. What my mom? Oh, how did he do it so fast?
Let's read instructions.
No.
Bathtub with lights and music. Shower and foam station. Rubbery duck. Oh! Let's see where the music button was. Oh! That was the button to press. Okay.
The lights are here.
Oh, cool. And foams for bubble bath. I'm assuming you put some soap inside this little hole here. Let's see if it works. Soap piece seems to not be working. Sarah, what do you think about the toy?
100.
You give it 100? Even though the soap, there's a part of the foam that is not working?
Yeah, 100. Because we could even take it off or put it on good. We could figure it out.
All right. Baby, do you want to take a bath?
He likes the bath.
She likes the bath? Are you relaxing in the bath, little girl, baby girl?
And the mama here.
Okay. She seems to love the bathtub, but hold me better, okay, guys? Don't let me go and sink. I'm a baby. I don't know how to swim. You bathe her so well, Sarah.
I'm not Sarah.
Who are you?
Mommy.
You're bathing the baby so well, Mommy. What's the name of the little baby? Cupcake! Okay, I'll take care of the baby. Go get baby puppy. I see him. He's right there.
You can bathe the baby. I will play with baby puppy.
Oh, really? All right. I guess I can bathe the baby. I'm the grandma. Run, baby puppy, run, run! Ooh, run, baby puppy!
Don't wait for them.
I already did. I'm done. She's all ready to take a nap. Okay, very careful. We don't want the baby to cry, so we gotta be very careful when we leave the room. But we're gonna go grab everything so Sarah can clean baby's puppy pee-pee. All right, let's go. We're gonna grab everything, Papa. Shh. Let's grab the spray. Good job. Let's grab the paper towels. 1, 2. One more. Let's go. First, we dry it with a towel. Only one. We dry the pee-pee. You bring it. Shh. Okay. Okay. Put more towels. Put it in the garbage right there. Good job. Now spray. Let's go clean it. All right. A spider. Okay. Shh. Now let's wash our hands. Good job. Baby. Oh.
Go back to sleep.
Oh wow. Where was the baby? He climbed somewhere.
Don't let him go there.
Okay.
You didn't watch him properly, Grandpa.
Good night, little baby. Guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching my videos, and we can have fun forever.